Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy security programs with the SANS Institute easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying security programs with the SANS Institute, visit the official SANS website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the available resources. Navigate to the training section to explore various security programs. Select a program that aligns with your specific security needs. Review the prerequisites and recommended experience for that program. Register for the selected training program. Look for any schedule options that suit your availability. Once registered, download any associated materials provided. Study the foundational content to understand the key concepts before the course begins. Attend the training sessions, whether live or recorded. Engage with instructors through Q&A sessions for deeper insights. Participate in hands-on labs to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Complete all course assignments and assessments as required. After finishing the program, review the provided resources for supplemental learning. Obtain your certification upon meeting the requirements. Implement the knowledge gained into your organization's security posture. Set up regular review sessions to evaluate the effectiveness of your new security measures. Continue your education by exploring advanced programs and additional certifications offered by SANS. Stay connected with the SANS community for ongoing support and knowledge sharing. Regularly apply best practices in security program management to ensure your strategies remain effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.